Have you ever wondered why some people make cooking look so easy, while for others it feels like a battle in the kitchen? The secret isn't always the recipe, it's often the cookware. Today, I'll walk you through the top 5 cookware pieces every kitchen must have. I'll also share some trusted brands I personally recommend, so you can choose quality pieces that last. Stick with me until the end for a bonus tip that can save you both time and money. First up, the cast iron skillet. It's durable, retains heat like no other, and can sear a steak beautifully. You can fry, bake, roast, even use it over a campfire. Next, the stainless steel saucepan. Perfect for boiling pasta, simmering soups, or making sauces. Unlike nonstick, stainless steel develops those flavorful brown bits, perfect for deglazing. Look for triply construction. A great option is All-Clad, a professional favorite. For a more budget-friendly pick, Cuisinart Multi-Clad Pro offers nearly the same performance at a fraction of the price. Now, let's talk convenience, the nonstick fry pan. Nothing beats it for eggs, pancakes, or delicate fish. My go-to recommendations? T-fal is budget-friendly and performs really well. If you want premium, Calphalon or All-Clad nonstick are worth the investment. Just remember, no metal utensils, and avoid super high heat to extend its life. Number 4, the Dutch oven. The king of slow cooking. Soups, stews, braised meats, even bread, it can do it all. If you want the absolute best, Le Creuset is legendary, expensive, yes, but built to last generations. A more budget-friendly option is Lodge enameled cast iron Dutch oven. It's heavy, reliable, and costs a fraction of the price. Finally, the Stockpot. Essential for soups, stocks, and family-sized pasta dinners. Brands like Cuisinart Chef's Classic or Farberware make solid, affordable stockpots. If you want something professional grade, All-Clad has excellent options that heat evenly and last forever. Here's my bonus advice: don't feel pressured to buy every cookware piece you see trending online. Start with these 5 essentials. Then, if your cooking style demands it, add specialty tools later, like a wok, grill pan, or pressure cooker. And yes, I'll leave links to all the brands I mentioned in the description, so you can easily find them. So, there you have it, the top 5 cookware every kitchen must have. First, cast iron skillet, Lodge, Le Creuset. Second, stainless steel saucepan, All-Clad, Cuisinart. Third, nonstick fry pan, T-fal, Calphalon, All-Clad. Fourth, Dutch oven, Le Creuset, Lodge. Fifth, stockpot, Cuisinart, Farberware, All-Clad. These are the backbone of any well-equipped kitchen. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cooking tips and gear reviews. And don't forget, you'll find direct links to all these cookware pieces down in the description. Until next time, happy cooking, and remember, good food starts with the right tools.